Hello everyone, my name is Patua and I'm very grateful to talk to you about current traditional Don Dance. Don Dance represents our identity, where we come from. Our culture is very important to us. We cannot let it disappear. That is the only thing we hold pride in our culture. Our traditional dance passed down from generation to generation. To keep our culture, we continue teaching our young children about the dance. Current traditional dance is called Don Dance. The Don Dance can be formed in large group of people or in small group. Don Dance practice or rehearsal take about 3 months because first we need to learn how to know the song and memorize it. We start practicing the movement and also focusing on changing position like circle, roll, even the letters. We also use cultural instruments and prompts including Korean drums, harps, bamboo stick, basket while they are dancing. Never forget where you came from and also keep your culture within you. Thank you.